Hi guys, welcome back to my channel ZTV. It's your girl Orezi. I hope your day is going fine. I guess so. So today I'm going to be telling you or teaching you something very interesting that you're going to like. I'm actually going to be teaching you how to edit your pictures with your smartphone for free. Like you're literally going to be editing your pictures like a professional photo editor. Now, you don't need to own an iPhone or a digital camera before you can actually take good pictures. You can use your normal Android phone. Be that the picture is ugly, it doesn't matter. You can use this app I'm going to introduce you to. You can use it to beautify your pictures, make it look attractive, like as if you are a celebrity. I tell you, this app is amazing. You can change your facial expression, you can change your hair, you can change your photo background. You can literally do a lot of things with this app that I'm going to introduce you to. So it's supposed to be a top secret though. Oh my god. Am I really saying this? Of course I am. So all right. So these are some of the pictures that I edited using this same app that I'm about to introduce you to. You can see the transformation, the change of facial expressions and everything. You can see the detailed transformation that I did with this same app. And I'm actually going to be saying this for free. Like, yeah. Alright, show me some love, people. All you have to do is click the subscribe button right there and smash the notification bell so you get notified each time I post new videos. Having said that, let's move on. So the name of the app is called Face App. So I'm going to be pasting the link on the description below so you can directly access it or download it from there. So now this app has a paid version and the free version. So with the free version, you are limited to the kind of features that you're supposed to use. But with the paid version, which is the pro version, you have access to everything in the app. Although I was using the paid version, but my subscription expired. So right now we're going to be using the free version as far as this video is concerned. So once you create an account with your email, just click on gallery and it will take you to your gallery, and there you can actually choose any of the pictures that you wish to edit. So right now I'm actually looking for a picture that I can edit for this purpose. Okay, this I'm going with that. So after clicking on the photo you wish to edit, you allow it to load because this has to do with your network as well. So right now it's loading. Okay, it's loading. So this app has so many features. Like I said, the paid version allows you to explore all the features. So we are going to be exploring those features without being able to use them. So let's see. Okay, so one of the features we have there is Hollywood. It's loading. You can see it's still loading. Okay, you can see the changes. And the next one we have Kiss. You can see the changes. And the next we have Silk. You can see now these features you can only use them when you go pro, like when you subscribe or you go pro with the app. Okay, so since we are not being able to use the pro version, we are actually going to be going with the free version, and with the free version we cannot use those features that we've just seen. The free version only allows you to do limited things. Like you can see these hairs, some of them are pro and just these two are for free. So we are going to be trying one of these hairs. Let's see which one will suit the picture. No, this is not good. Right, let's go with the long. Okay, so the bob cuts didn't suit it. Now the long suited it. All right, this is okay. So we're going on to the next, which is the makeup. Now we have different features for makeup, but we are going to be using just this first one since we are using the free version. Okay, you can see. Now we'll move on to the next. If you want to if you want to make your face smooth, you can use any of that, but I'm not going to use it. And this is the smiles that you can change your facial expressions to. I'm not going to use any of that. So go to hair color. Yeah, you can see different kinds of hair colors that you can change your hair to if you wish, but I'm not going to use any of that. So we'll go to age. If you want to turn yourself to an old woman, a younger girl, or a baby, you can actually do that, but I'm going to be using the young instead. Okay, so it's loading. You can see the changes. Okay, all right. The network is pretty bad, so just stay with me. I'm actually exploring all the young features here to see which one suits the photo better. Yeah, I have to go with that. Okay, now the next, you go to gender. If you want to change the gender from female to male or from male to female, you can change it, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, let me try the feminine. Let's see. Oh my god, it doesn't look so well, so I have to cancel that. Right, so let's move forward. Now we have glasses. You have different kinds of glasses that you can use if you're using the pro version. Now you go to, we have filters, you have adjustments if you want to adjust anything. Now these are the filters that you can change, whichever one you want to change, but I'm not going to do that. We have a background. If you want to change your photo background, like I said, you can as well change the photo background. If you do not like the background or the current background, you can as well change it. So let's explore now. There are so many backgrounds you can think of, like so many of them. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I think it's kind of dull. Let's move forward. And this starry sky. Okay, this is cool. I like this one. Right, so I'm going to be going with this. Now if you want to blur the lens, vignette, overlay, every other features that you can think of is in this app. So now you have to save the picture after you finish editing it. So you click the save button and it is done. And if you also wish to see your before and after, you can as well click this under here. It will bring the before and the after photo that you just edited. Now you can see the transformation. So that's just it about this app. It's pretty easy. You can do it yourself. So go onto the link in the description below so you can download the app. For comparison, you can as well save the before and the after photo that you edited, which is just as you can see it in your screen. That's the before and the after. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful, and if you like this video, please show some love. Leave a comment in the comment section. Please like this video, share to your friends in your social media handles, and don't forget, like I said earlier, click the subscribe button so that you can get notified each time I post new videos. So you can also follow me in my social handles, which is going to be displaying on your screen soonest. So these are my social handles. Please do follow and subscribe. Let's connect. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.